morning, everyone,
says Archie. Robot points to Ted. Shh, says Robot.
Ted is asleep.
Sorry, says Archie. Let's play a quiet game, says Little Bear. Good idea, says Doll. Let's play with the puppets. Good morning, Ted.
Oh, it's morning. Where are the toys?
Asks Ted.
Look, I can see a mouse. Hello, little mouse,
says Ted. There's a mouse in the grass.
Look, I can see a frog. Hello, little frog,
says Ted. There's a frog in the river and a mouse in the grass. Oh, what's that? 2 big eyes.
Oh no,
says Ted.
I can see a snake. Watch out! There's a snake in the grass. Quick, run, little mouse. Jump, little frog.
The mouse runs and the frog jumps.
Oh, phew,
says Ted.
Look, I can see a rabbit. Hello, little rabbit,
says Ted. There's a rabbit in the woods.
Look, I can see a duck. Hello, little duck,
says Ted.
Quack, quack.
There's a duck in the pond and a rabbit in the woods. Oh, what's that? A big nose.
Oh no,
says Ted.
I can see a fox. Watch out! There's a fox in the woods. Quick, jump, little rabbit. Swim, little duck.
Quack.
The rabbit jumps and the duck swims.
Oh, phew,
says Ted. What's that?
now I can see a mouse, a frog, a snake, a rabbit, a duck, and a fox.
says Ted.
And I can see my friends.
Hello, Ted.
says Archie. The toys are asleep now. Good night, Archie. Good night, Ted. Good night, everyone.
Oh.